name is Shari-Ann Henry, and I know Mr. Golden through the constituency of South St. Andrew, where he gave me the opportunity to serve my community at varying levels. I knew what I wanted, but he helped me to materialize my dream of working in politics. The community sees Mr. Golden as a man of integrity, down to earth, caring, one who you can hold a reason with, and even eat a one steamed fish. Mark's leadership style is one of inclusivity. He listens to everyone's opinion, the young and the old. We love him because our concerns are heard and he makes use of them accordingly. Mark makes himself readily available at all times and is always a phone call away, whether to hear your concerns, give a listening ear, or offer advice. He's always ready to serve, giving selflessly of himself, and that is why he is the man for the job.